Hello everyone, I am Vivek. Currently, I am doing an internship at the Spark Foundation in a data science and business analyst domain. And here I did a task. The objective of this task is we have to did exploratory data analysis on this IPL dataset and found out some a successful team, who are the successful team, successful player, and other factors which are contributing win or loss for a team. Okay. So first I import all the libraries, and this one is our first CSV file, matches.csv. I just import that using pd.read.csv. So this CSV file contain data about which are the team playing together, who own the toss, what is the decision of that toss, what is the type of result, DL applied or not, who is the winner of that match, win by how much run, win by how much wicket, who is the player of the match, and which venue the match was played, and the umpire detail. Now it's having total 756 rows and total 18 columns. So first I start the first step in every data science project, that is data cleaning and pre-processing. So first I did a null value count. So here you can see there are some null value present in umpire 3, high null value present in umpire 3, and some less null value present in umpire 1, umpire 2, winner, and CT. So I just drop them. I just drop them umpire 3 ID and also other uh, columns which are having null values. So here I directly drop ID and umpire 3 row completely drop, because umpire 3 having a very high null value count, so we can't do any ED on top of that, because it's having so much null value. And also ID column is a uniquely identified column, so we can't do any ED on top of that. So I just drop this entire column, and I only drop those rows which are having null value in this column, like winner, player of the match, CT, umpire. So after dropping the null values, I left with 743 rows. Now you can see there is no null value present. Okay. Now then I check the data type. I After taking the data type are in we don't need to any change, we don't need any change, or except in date column, we have to change the data type of the date column. I just change that to date time format using pd.toDateTime. Okay. After converting to date time, I just uh, arrange this whole CSV file, this whole data frame according to ascending dates. So previously you can see here the date are not arranged properly. You can see 4 May 2017, then 4 June 2017. So here I just arrange them properly. You can see 2008 1-5, 2008 1-5. There are two matches played in same day. Then 2008 1-6, and so on. Okay. Then here I just did a unique value count for this categorical column, and after analyzing this whole unique value, I found some impurities. You can see Bangalore and Bengaluru are the same thing, so I just replace them with one single word. Okay, I did the same thing to stadiums also. I see some impurities, so I just change them. You can see here M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, M. Chinnaswamy Stadium are the same, so I just replace them. Okay, I did the same thing to umpire column also. So now our cleaning part is done. Now we are ready to go for exploratory data analysis. So first I did some just univariate analysis this uh, for this season column. Means in each season how many matches are played. You can see uh, mm, in 2013 76 matches are played. Okay, so here I just did a mean count, means what are the average matches played in each season. You can see on an average 60 to 62 matches are played in each season. Okay, then I also did a univariate analysis on city, how many matches played in each city. You can see highest number of matches are played in Mumbai, then followed by Kolkata, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, and so on. So in these cities, most number of matches are played. Okay, then I also did a univariate analysis on teams playing most number of the match. You can see Mumbai Indians playing most number of the match, followed by KKR, Kolkata Knight Riders, then Kings 11 Punjab, then Royal Challenger Bangalore, and so on. Then again, venue-wise, how many matches played in each venue? It's also a univariate analysis. So you can see Eden Garden is in the top. Most number of matches are played in Eden Garden, then followed by Chinnaswamy Stadium, then Firoz Kotla, and so on. And this one is the matches umpiring by each umpire. You can see S. Ravi, Kumar Dharmasena, C. Samsuddin, A.K. Chaudhary. So these are some top umpires who umpiring most number of the matches in IPL. Okay, so here I just did a unique value count. Uh, this plot tells us about the top 50 most player of the match winner players. So you can see Chris Gayle is in the top, having more than 20 man of the match award, followed by A.V. de Villiers, then David Warner, Rohit Sharma, M.S. Dhoni, and so on. Okay, so here I just write all of the observation of this all univariate analysis. You can see highest number of matches played in Eden Garden. Chris Gayle has won a Player of the Match award for the most number of time. S. Ravi has umpiring most number of IPL matches, and Mumbai Indians has played most number of IPL matches, and most number of IPL matches are played in City Mumbai. Okay, so here what I did is I just want to check that is toss be a factor for deciding that who will be win in the match. So here you can see toss win match win. I make a new column called toss win match win. uh, and when I analyze that, you can see toss win match win true is 388 and false is 355. So there is no much difference. So here we can't directly say that if you own the toss you will definitely own the match. No, we can't tell that because you can see here. So here we can say that tossage is not a key factor for deciding the match winner. We can say that. Okay, so here I did a bivariate analysis. So here this is the toss decision. Means after winning the toss, if you choose field, then what is the chances of winning and what is the chances of losing? And if you choose bet first, then what is the chances of winning and what is the chances of losing? So you can see if you after winning the toss, if you choose field first, then you own most number of the matches, then lose. But in bet first, you lose most number of the matches. Okay, so it's a very useful analysis. Then okay, so then after doing some value count and group by, I just make this data frame. So this data frame having venue wise winning percentage when you bet first and when you field first. Means in this ACA VDCA stadium, after winning the toss, if you choose bet first, then what's the percentage of winning, and if you choose field first, then what's the percentage of winning. Okay, I make this entire data frame and I just plot this data frame here. So this is the venue wise winning percentage. So you can see in Wankhede Stadium, if you choose field first after winning the toss, your chances of winning is slightly higher. In Superstore Park and in Superstore Park, you can see if you choose field first, then your winning chances is more higher than if you choose bet first. So it's a stacked bar chart. I plot it here. I plot the same chart, but here it's not a stacked bar chart. Here you can completely analyze the bet first and field first uh, winning percentage. You can so here you can say in M Chinnaswamy Stadium, after winning the toss, if you choose field first, then your winning percentage is more higher than bet first. But it's completely different in MA Chithambaram Stadium. In MA Chithambaram Stadium, Chepauk, if you choose bat first after winning the toss, you can see the winning percentage is more higher than if you choose field first. So this this plot tells us many gives us many insights. So here you can see that here in MA Chithambaram Stadium, uh, bet first is winning percentage of bet first is higher, so you can say that chasing is hard in this venue, or we can say defending is very easy in this MA Chithambaram Stadium. And in Chinnaswamy Stadium, you can see winning percentage while field first is higher. So you can say that score defending is very hard in Chinnaswamy Stadium, or you can say chasing is very easy in this venue. Okay. Now again, after doing some value count and group by, I make this table. This is the team wise winning percentage when you bet first and when you field first. So here you can see only and only Chennai Super King is the only team who's having a winning percentage more than 60% while bet first and also while field first. The bet winning percentage while bet first is 62.50, and when field first, the winning percentage is 65.85. So I just simply plot that here. This is winning percentage while bet first, and this is the winning percentage while field first. So while bet first, you can see only Mumbai Indians is the sorry, only Chennai Super King is the team who's having more than 60% chances of winning while bet first. Okay. Now I just plot the same plot here. You can see here Chennai Super King. When they field first, their winning percentage is slightly higher when they bat first. And in Deccan Charger, you can see when they are betting first, their winning chances is higher, slightly higher. Okay, you can analyze for all those teams. So okay, so now there is another data set called deliveries, and it's having data related to each and every ball. So what happened in each ball? If there is who is in the striker, who is in non-striker, who is the bowler, is super over or not, and what type of run is that, penalty run, no ball run, leg by run, and it's a extra run or not, what is the total run in that particular ball, is player dismissal or not, dismissal kind, and who is the fielder. So now you can see we have many uh, rows, and we have 21 columns. So I just first I did a null value count. So here you can see player dismissal, player kind, and fielder, they are having very high null value, but we can't directly drop them because they are very useful, um, useful columns. So why there is so much null value present? Because it's present because, as you know, in cricket, in one innings we can at most we can take 10 wickets, not more than that. So that's why these columns are having the data related to wickets. So it's not possible now that in every ball there will be a wicket, so it's not possible. So that's why there are so much null value present in this column. So what I did is I don't drop them, I just replace the non value with no wicket. So here you can see I just replace them with no wicket. So if there is no wicket gone in that particular ball, so just replace them with no wicket. Also I did some data cleaning here. There is Rising Pune Super Giant and Rising Pune Super Giants are the same team, so I just replace them with one name. Okay, so now after complete all the data cleaning part, here I after here I make a batsman stats table. After doing some pivoting and group by, I make this table. So this table having data related to, you can see a batsman name, total run, how many matches he played, how many ball he faced, what is the batting average, and what is the strike rate of that batsman. Okay, so after this is the whole summary data. From this summary data, I just take only those players who playing at least 50 matches, and I name them as top batsmen. Okay, so from this top batsman, then I analyze, then I found out this top 10 highest run scorer. So you can see now, Virat Kohli is in the top with 5434 total runs with a strike rate of nearly 130. And in second, you can see Suresh Raina, and then Rohit Sharma, David Warner. So you can see their total run and their strike rate. Okay, so from the same data, I just found out this also, top 10 highest strike rate batsmen. So according to strike rate, who is in the top? You can see Andre Russell is in the top, having strike rate around 180, and then Sunil Narine, and then Rishabh Pant, Glenn Maxwell, Hardik Pandya. So these are the batsmen whose strike rate is very high. So these are like a power hitter like. Okay, so then I did a I make a new column here called wicket, and I just make a new column wicket. So here what I mapping is, in player dismissal column, if there is no wicket, then replace them with 0, and if there is some name there, like if there is a player got out, then there will be a name present in that column. So if there is anything else no wicket, then replace them with 1. So this gives us about wicket column. So after using this wicket column, and using some pivoting table, and doing some pivoting table and aggregation, I make this bowler stats table. So it's having the data about bowlers, and how many wicket he taken in this entire IPL history, and how many over he bowled, how many run he conceded, what is the economy rate, how many matches he played, and what is the wicket average. So wicket average means in every match, on an average how many wicket he take, and economy rate means in an over, on an average, how many run he concede in a particular over. Okay, now then from this summary data, I just take only those bowler who playing at least 50 matches. So okay, now I name them as top bowler. So from this top bowler, I found out this top 10 highest wicket taker. So you can see in the entire history of IPL, Lasit Mahalinga is in the top with having 170 wickets. Then Amit Mishra 156 wicket. Then followed by Harbhajan Singh, Piyush Chawla, DJ Bravo, Bhuvaneswar Kumar, and so on. So from the same top bowler table, I found out this top 10 best economical bowlers. So economical wise, who is in the top? And one thing here, lower economy rate is means that bowler is very good. So you can see that Sunil Narine having 6.83 economy rate, then Muralidharan having 6.88 economy rate. So these are the top bowler according to economy rate, followed by Ravi Ashwin, Del Steyn, Harbhajan Singh, and so on. Okay, so I just slightly modified bowler data, bowler summary data, bowler statistics table. So I just take only 16 to 20 overs. Actually, I want to find out who is the death over specialist. So that's why the period between 16 to 20 over are actually called death over. So I want to know that who are the bowler who take most number of wicket in this death over, and their economy rate was also low. So for that I modified that bowling stat table, and I make this, and from this table I found out this top 10 death over specialist. So here you can see also Lasit Mahalinga is in the top, then followed by DJ Bravo, Bhuvaneswar Kumar, Sunil Narine, and so on. You can see Lasit Mahalinga taking 108 wicket in death over, and their economy rate was also less than 8. 7.93, and DJ Bravo taking 90 wicket, and economy rate having economy rate of 9.40, and so on. So these are the top 10 death over specialists. So now I just did a value count of success and find out this and plot this plot. This plot is telling us about top 10 big hitters. So you can see Chris Gayle is in the top, having 327 success. Now you can see the difference between the first and second is much higher. Means Chris Gayle having more than 30% more success than AB de Villiers. So Chris Gayle is a real big hitter. You can see. Okay. Now, after this, I want to found that best fielder in this entire IPL history. So according to catches and runouts, so I make this table which having the name of the fielder and the catches they taken and how many runouts they did. Okay, then from this table I just plot this. So this is top 10 fielders according to catches and top 10 fielders according to runouts. So you can see Dinesh Karthik is in the top, having most number of catches, then followed by Suresh Raina, MS Dhoni, and so on. And top 10 fielders according to runouts, you can see MS Dhoni is in the top, then followed by Ravindra Jadeja, then Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, Dinesh Karthik, and so on. Okay, now this one is my final plot. So here I just found out the top 10 best wicket keeper according to how many stumping they did. So you can see Dhoni is in the top, having 38 stumpings, and then followed by Robin Uthappa, Dinesh Karthik, Riddhiman Saha, Parthiv Patel, and so on. Okay, so finally I just wrote the summary here, overall summary that CSK is the only team having winning percentage more than 60%. Virat Kohli is the highest run scorer in IPL. Andre Russell is having best strike rate. Lasith Malinga is the highest wicket taker. And DJ Bravo, Bhubaneswar Kumar, Sulina Narasimhan, Lasith Malinga, Ashish Nehra. There are some death over specialist bowler. Sunil Narayan, Muralidharan, R. Usin, Dale Steyn are some bowler whose economy rate was less than 7. And Chris Gayle hitting highest number of sixes. Dinesh Karthik takes highest number of catches. Dhoni, Jadeja, Kohli, Raina are some best fielder according to runouts they did, and MS Dhoni is the best wicket keeper according to stumping. Okay, this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Any suggestion and feedback will be appreciated, and have a good day. Thank you.